looks like we made another electric mountain bike for Crystal. Alright, what did we do here? We finally found a small Trek fuel frame for her. This is her third electric mountain bike, hopefully the last. What did we do with this bike? Well, first of all, this was her second electric mountain bike. The blue old Trek fuel frame, we already sold it to an LA Eastgate friend. I'm still hoping that they go mountain biking with us soon. Anyhow, this was my wife's second mountain bike that I built her. It's been performing pretty well. Crystal's having a blast on it, but now we're going to get her a little bit more serious into mountain biking because she likes it so much. The battery was in the top tube, and obviously it's better when it's on the bottom for weight distribution, so that's why we bought this bike for her. It's not 100%. I'm still obviously finalizing some wires, but also downgraded her to a BBS02 because I want her to get more lift on her bunny hops, and BBS02 is all you need. I've said it plenty of times in my channel. She hasn't seen this bike yet. Hopefully she likes it. Basically, we're pulling off a lot of these accessories on this bike, the lights, the wheels, onto that bike eventually. I just finished putting everything together, plugging it in. Before I finalize things, let's go for a test run. Just clicking throughout the gears here, because that's what you always want to test out first. Go on low level, make sure that everything is shifting. Okay, I think it needs some adjustments on gear 1. It's not bad, just a minor adjustment on the barrel, feels like. So I'm adjusting the barrel here. There you go. We're in gear 1. I'm surprised that this setup actually reached gear 1. Nice. There we go, looks like we got it dialed in. So far, we're shifting all of our gears right off the bat. That's always the case when you build a new middrive. You always want to play around with your offsets. I mean, things are checking out good on the gears. Let's roll. Let's jump off some curves. Very good in the suspensions. Good travel. Probably the same amount of travel from her old previous downhill bike, but actually a little bit better in the front. I mean, it feels like a BBS02. That's what I really like. Lighter in the weight and better clearance for low bikes, because Crystal is only 5 foot tall. She needs a short, small bike. Even I like smaller, shorter bikes. I feel like I have more control on them. Do some bunny hops. Let's do the bunny hops test. Oh, this bike feels light. This might be lighter than my build. I felt like I got some good jumps there. Let's try here. I like jumping off this curve. Oh, sick. She better not have any excuses now of a heavy bike and not getting any jumps. I think if I could change I think I might actually change her cranks to be a little bit shorter, because it's low to the ground. I'm pretty sure on the mountain bike trails that it's gonna, she might cause some foot strike. So I'm definitely gonna change that. Oh, nice. We built her another nice bike. It's an addiction, you know? I feel like it's an addiction that you just can't stop sometimes. Let's get a good look at this build. Luna Wolf 52 volt battery. Again, BBS02. 26er wheels because we're short riders. Dual disc brakes. Shimano hydraulic brakes. Trek Fuel X Series 5. It fits the battery just enough to mount. I bought this chainring from Walmart. It was like $60, give or take, but it's a BBS02. It's supposed to be similar to the Lecky. It seems like as long as it's grabbing all my gears, I'm okay with that. I need to change the chains soon because this looks really old. 9-speed mountain bike. Definitely recommend mid-drives if you're going off-road. That's what it's made for. That's where I think mid-drives shine. Alright folks, well, thank you for tuning in on today's quick vlog. Like and subscribe for more content. Check out the useful links in the description below for additional discounts on a Super73 or an arielrider if you're more into pavement riding. But if you like off-road, roller coaster hills and thrills, I definitely recommend a mid-drive. Use E-Bike Adventures code at URL link for additional discounts. Description below. Alright folks, we out. See you guys in the next ride. Peace.